Hi everybody, my name is Danita. I'm with the Buttercup Creations, and today we're going to make these little gummy bears. They're about 6 inches tall, 5.9 or something like that, but they're about 6 inches tall, and I've got a little screw in the top of them so I can hang them, or I want to hang them so I can put them on my tree. So this orange one is too dark, so I want to add a little white paint to the orange paint to make it a pastel orange, so it will not be so dark. I'm not going to add that orange glitter because it's too dark. I've decided I'm just going to add the white glitter from Walmart to make it a pretty soft orange, like a gummy bear. Gummy bear. It'll be so cute on the tree. I've got a pretty bright tree. Everything is so colorful, and I want it to be very pretty and soft. So I'm going to make it very soft I can't redo the bear, so I'm going to just add white glitter instead of the orange. So I'm doing it over the garbage can so it won't be all over the table. So it'll just take a second there and then I'll be done. But see how much lighter it is? Isn't that so much better? Yes, I think so. I think it looks so much better. Now, since this pink one is already painted, I'm going to use tacky glue. It's clear tacky glue. Looks white now, but it's clear. Comes out clear. And it's very cold where I'm at, so I'm having to really squeeze to get it out. I'm going to put it all over my bear. And then I'm going to put some pink glitter, pink really fine glitter, and pink party blend glitter. I got these tall glitters from Glittz and Glue, and I got the shorter glitters from Walmart. If you would please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more fake bakes. I've got a few coming up. I'm trying to wait till it's a little warmer to do the beginner's basic guide, because some things I can't do outside right now. It's like 7 degrees. And that's not finished, so I'm trying to fill in with some of these other things that I'm doing. But I'm almost finished with this one here. And I'm going to put a bunch of pink glitter on it, and it's so pretty in the end. I can link these bears for you down in the description box. And I can also link these glitters if you would like. Let me go put some glitter on these just for a second. Okay, now I'm putting the glitter, and then I'm also going to spray this Elmer's glue in between the glitter because I'm putting another glitter on top of that glitter. So it's got two glitters there, and it looks so gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Now I'm going to do this purple gummy bear, and this lavender, actually it's the lavender, soft lilac, I believe it is. But it's so pretty, and I forgot to shake it. I needed to shake it, so I had to go back and shake a little bit, and then it comes out prettier. You always need to shake your bottles of paint because it settles at the bottom, and it always looks better whenever you shake it. So just always remember to do that. Like, you should always remember to subscribe to anybody you like to watch on YouTube and give them a big thumbs up. That way you'll always be able to see their videos. Be able to make sure you always hit that notification bell and hit all of the videos so you can see all of their videos and not just occasionally. If you hit all, you'll see all of their videos. But let me go ahead and tell you about the gummy bears now. This is a very soft purple, and I'm going to put a stick in the bottom of it, a skewer, so I can hold it from the bottom. I want this one to sit in the tree, or I want it to sit on the shelf. I have a little stand for it. I don't want it to hang like the others, but you can put a styrofoam eye screw or screw eye in the top of it. I think it's a styrofoam eye screw in the top of it that you can get from Joann's or Amazon, I believe, and sometimes Walmart. But I'm putting that dark purple glitter on top of that. And then I went back and put the white on top of that purple. So it's got a two-tone effect. It looks really pretty. I'll show you here in just like a second. Yeah, so it's so pretty. It's just gorgeous. There's the pink one finished. There's the orange one. The green one is my favorite. and the yellow one. Oh, and this aqua. I just love them all. If you enjoyed watching this, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and come back and watch every video. I love you all. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day.